to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make a simple recipe. I've been marinating my chicken overnight. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of chili, of garlic. So let me take this chicken out of the bag. I'm gonna bake this chicken at 350 degrees in the oven for 1 hour. I'm also add the barbecue sauce on this chicken. Like I said, it's a real simple recipe to make. So let me just go ahead and add all of the chicken first, and then I'm gonna just pour the barbecue sauce over the chicken. This is 2 pounds chicken here. I don't know why I'm wiping my hands when I'm gonna get barbecue sauce on it again. Let me just pour some over the chicken. Then I will massage it into the chicken. I'm using about half a cup of barbecue sauce. That's 0 carb barbecue sauce. I like using my hands to massage the chicken, the barbecue sauce into the chicken. You can do this in the bag if you like, but I like just using my hand to massage it into the chicken. So we can cover it on the front and back side. Okay, I might add some more barbecue sauce when I take it out of the oven. Wash my hands and let you see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and place it in the preheated oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. today I had to replace my water filter in this refrigerator and my air filter in here. And it was fairly easy to do. Let me just show you where my water filter is. It's right behind this little door here. I just raised that up, panel up, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. And there's my water filter right there. So I had watched a couple videos and some of them say, well, you have to turn the water off, but I didn't have to turn the water off at all. I just went on and took the old one out and screwed in the new one. I bought these, they are not, I don't think I can put this tray in here with one hand. I did put it in there with one hand. I ordered these filters from Amazon, and this is what they look like, and it's for LG refrigerator. And in the store they're about $45 if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot. But I bought these I got 3 of them, and 3 water air filters and 3 water filters for like $35 on Amazon. And because we are Prime members, they came the next day. So I thought that was a great deal. And the air filter is all the way in the top of the refrigerator in the back. And that was fairly easy to replace. So if you have a refrigerator like this, it's really simple to replace. I just took it out of the oven, so it looks delicious and it smells divine in this kitchen. So I'm gonna taste it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place the chicken on the tray. It's really hot. Taste a piece of the chicken. It's so juicy. Ooh. Mmm. The sweet. Appropriate amount of salt. Paprika. Really good. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. Let you guys go because I'm gonna sit here and drink my drink.